Hi, everyone. Thanks so much for your time to join my session. And thank you for Office of Insurance Commission and TechSource Media for inviting me to speak at the Thailand InsurTech Fair 2021. Can you give me my screen? Before I move on, maybe let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Elton Chu, Head of Insurance Product in OneConnect Financial Technology based in Singapore. I have 15 years experience in insurance and health industry. Before joining OneConnect, I was a product owner in ENG, and after that, I worked in Salesforce as a master solution engineer to lead the insurance and health industry solutions. And OneConnect is an associate company in Ping An Group, a leading financial group in China. Ping An has insurance, banking, and asset management business in Greater China. And it also built up 4 ecosystems, which are financial services, healthcare, auto services, and claim and smart city. These 4 ecosystems provide the tech engine for Ping An business, especially in insurance. OneConnect is a listed company in financial service domain. We provide technology solutions in insurance, banking, and public sector. And we are a technology as a service company. Support from Ping An Group, we believe OneConnect can bring Ping An's business plus technology approach to many other insurers in Southeast Asia. Instead of hiding the treasure, we bring our own best practice to the insurance industry. A typical example is OneConnect bring a smart auto claim solution to China general insurance market. And over 90 insurance companies and ecosystems are using our solution to handle their auto claims automatically. With this help, our clients decreased 13% of their labor costs and increased 15% of the claim automation. We also bring this solution to Europe market and make the partnerships with Swiss Re for the corporation. And these smart detection solutions is now expanding from auto claim into auto insurance purchase. This is a solution can help to identify the depreciations of the car, and insurance can base on it to do more accurate pricing. Today, my topic is the competitive front end in an uncertain time. Before I start, I want to share with you a story, which is an opinion I got from one of my friends who has more than 30 years experience of the insurance selling. He asked me one question: Elton, do you know why it is so difficult to sell insurance? I think everybody here has different opinions. Let me share his thinking. He said, insurance is an invisible product and you are unable to enjoy the benefit of it immediately. This is different from buying a tangible product like house or car. And also it's not same as food and drinks. In addition, this is different from other intangible products, like topping up your account to play your online game, or make a subscriptions for your Netflix account, which can let you entertain yourself or your family immediately. Insurance needs time to get the benefit. Only when the risk happened, the customer can have the benefit, which is the payout to cover the risk. And he continued, one-on-one interactions is always an important part of the sales process, and we still need insurance agent in future. Well, I think many of you would have agreed with him. I was totally agreed with him too. However, the past 2 years have transformed nearly every aspect of our world. The pandemic has impacted all aspects of our lives. It accelerates the adoptions of new behaviors, from how we work to how we shop to how we entertain ourselves. Today, I have the different perspectives. To answer this question, we need to take one step back to think about what an insurance product looks like. In the past decades, the insurance product is sold, not buy. Customers have very lack of their insurance awareness, especially in most of the Southeast Asia market. Insurers have to rely on large agent or broker-based distribution channels to do the selling. In the meanwhile, insurance companies need to launch campaigns and promote insurance literacy and educate people on financial security. Thanks to the technologies, it not only transforms a digital insurance experience, but more importantly, impact our human behaviors. The pandemic is a trigger to make this happen at least 10 years earlier. The information is so much accessible nowadays, and most of the people in both developed and developing countries are more aware of insurance. Business strategies transit from offline to online, where potential customers are drawn from physical meetings with agents to online channel purchase. AI technologies help to fulfill the needs of the customer identity online with seamless experience. The smart assessment, fraud detection, predictive analysis based on AI make us to be confident to move from sell to buy, because we have sufficient technologies already to build a powerful risk management ecosystem. Blockchain optimize the efficiency, securities, and transparencies of the insurance industry, even though the insurance business is more complex than before. It helps to connect all insurance stakeholders, and we don't need to do the reconsolidations manually, which makes the cost of the operations significantly decreased. Big data makes the single customer profile and understand your customer needs accurately. Moreover, the best next action can help us one step ahead of our customer to fund their potential needs. And of course, with the cloud technology, we have the insurance solution easily on cloud. Ping An takes a lot of investment in these 4 core technologies because we believe technology is the new engine for the financial business. And these technologies make OneConnect not only as an industry specialist in technology, but also we help to bring the new high-tech use cases into insurance for the future success. Here are some of the examples. We have smart auto claims to make the auto insurance claim easily and accurately. We have smart interview to capture the micro expressions of interviewee to identify the risk score. We have the Know Your Customer solution to identify your customer in a digital approach, and based on that, to make a fraud detection. We have chatbot solution also for insurance communication, including any type of the processes, such as automatic purchase, guided service, and one-stop claim process. Now, the main point is that all the external environments are ready. What we are going to change from sell to buy. We all understood that insurance has new business strengths and high operation costs. That's why we always set up insurance product a bit complicated and make them pack as a bundle. That makes the risk of the insurance product accumulated. Whenever customers buy the high-risk products, there will be a complicated risk controls in the operation. And that makes customers hesitate to pay also. This is the most of the realities in the insurance in the past. So you can see as in this circle, we need to do something different than before. We actually already find some of the innovators in the market, and they are either an InsurTech company run the insurance business in a new way, or traditional insurance companies' digital department to cut off with the traditional business. Here are the summary of how they work in one or several points as follows. If we start from a business with more agilities, such as enable the digital channels, an AI-driven business process, in the meanwhile, we try to design simpler products more suitable to the customer and market, such as the event-based products, pay-as-you-go products. This will make the risk significantly decrease because we are only taking care of the limited risk in a specific area. And the digital channels can bring us to the customer directly with high volume. Moreover, these products will consider as the consume product instead of investment product, which we can bring it into next levels of the insurance practices. That is why customers accept to pay, because it's more suitable for their daily consuming, such as when we shop online, will you consider top up $1 for your retirement? The more shop you do online, the more retirement account you will have. And this makes insurance changed from low touch into high frequency product. That is the way how we can move from sell to buy. You can find from the important point in that circles, that is the product innovation. It is the time for us to rethink about designing product that responds to the customer needs. Those commercial product, group product, and investment product need deep interactions with customer skills. But other insurance products like term, health, travel, or auto, which are more risk-based products, they can definitely move from meeting the agent in person to online purchase. A Swiss Re study says 59% of the customer in Southeast Asia are more likely to buy insurance online, while only 39% still want to talk with a person to help make their decisions on product. Matching product with customer is the key in this environment. This turning point also calls for new digital insurance platforms, technologies such as AI and other system processes that will help insurance companies work faster to compete and go ahead in an increasing digitalized landscape. Because of this, the dynamic pricing is very important for us to combining the internal and external data to make the different pricing strategies and promote to the markets and customers. And this will comes out more accurate product recommendations with dynamic pricing. In the past decades, we lack of external quality data, but now every industry is doing the digital evolving. We should open our eyes to look for the external environment and get connected with them. This means a totally new pricing models and different go-to-market approach. There's always a complaining from customers saying that paying insurance is like doing a charity. Well, I'm not trying to judge whether we should do a donations or not here today. But many customers feel that they helped other high-risk customers to pay the costs. And now, with this combining internal and external data, we can build our product what exactly customer want. And also, we can help to make a best price for them individually. Selling directly to customer is more than just a B2C model. You would need to build up all your ecosystems and partners so as to onboard your customers seamlessly and deliver the value to them. Compared to B2C, it helps to expand your connections with the potential customer rapidly. These channels supposed to provide interconnected set of the services in a single interact experience that connect offerings from cross-industry players. But we all know the problem here. Like the logistic industry, the last mile costs the most effort of the work. Insurance digital channel need to engage with customers, but they are hardly to build the insurance journeys in their platform. Thinking about the ecosystem's approach benefit, which helps generate new leads, low distribution costs, increase customer retention, and improving the preventions and also the assistance to reduce claims. This pushes us to think about a solution for this last mile. OneConnect Surety platforms is a one solution for both product and channel digital transformation. InnoLab is the product center to launch your traditional and innovational products for property and casualty, as well as life and health. Distribution boosts help to enable the digital channels with white labeling, promotion, and campaign. And finally, you can launch your product to the channel. EasyFlow is a low-code, no-code process designer for you to deliver different processes of your product based on your channel and your product requirement. Script Out is a powerful tool to solve this last mile, helping configure business flow such as purchase flow, claim flow, to embed into your third-party channel partners. You do not need to do additional coding effort to launch your product into the distribution website or mobile apps. And you have the full control of management on shelf products with seamlessly experience in the distributor side. Of course, all these are empowered by the service catalog, our insurance KPI, to make this happen at the back end. In the long run, insurance should focus more on designing relevant products that improve customer experience, whilst channel partner should be the place to trigger the insurance purchase. Customer may not necessarily visit your branches or website to purchase insurance. Instead, insurance purchase take place anywhere, any place in their daily life. They can purchase insurance by tagging premiums payment to various daily activities, such as traveling on public transport or buying food and drink. This is the future of the insurance. Before the outbreak of pandemic, insurance has traditionally been slower on the technology adoption curve. The COVID-19 pandemic is fast-tracking the digitalizations of the insurance industry, mainly because customers and potential prospects could not or would not want to meet in person. These insurance companies are facing a major tech disruptions and permanently change a ways of operation. A shifting to digital selling is the key response to this challenge. According to KPMG's research, 85% of the insurance CEO says COVID-19 has accelerated the digitalizations of their operations and the creations of next generation's operation model. Now, more than ever, insurance companies need digital insurance solution to meet market demand. OneConnect has revolutionary InsurTech solution that help insurance company and ecosystem partner launch innovation insurance products more rapidly and easily, as well as roll out the new distribution channel just in weeks instead of months with our local no-code design tool and simply drag and drop technology. It helps insurance companies and their partners expand their distribution network and market share in a secure and flexible way. More and more insurers are shifting from digital enablement omni-channel distribution model to maximize the sales opportunity. With the next level technology, customers will feel more taken care of and feel understood because of the analytics in place to uncover the importance of insight. That helps insurance company design better and effective product. The omni-channel insurance approach enables the insurance company to overcome these shifts in the market, improve conversions and retentions, and build loyalties over the long term. As consumer satisfied improves, OneConnect Insurance Total Solutions follow the business success approach to reduce risk and cost and improve your efficiencies and service. And finally, increase your revenue. And this brings us to the end of my presentation. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. If anyone who like more information or have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.